What is going on, guys? This is When I Play COD. And today we're going fishing. Yay, fishing! I enjoy fishing with my dad. It's really awesome. Right here we are, cannot tell you where we're at because it's the secret spot where we catch a lot of fish. So, yeah, I'm gonna just end this episode. But I'm just gonna end this video right here. Because we gotta get the gear and everything out. We got, catch some fish, and when we're done, I'll let you guys know what's happening and everything. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.